In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video on Webflow. Now, if you've been exploring Webflow, you might have noticed that the platform functions a bit differently when it comes to working with videos. Unlike images and other assets, you can't upload videos directly to the asset manager. When dealing with the video element, it doesn't allow for direct video uploads either. Instead, it requires a URL to a video hosted elsewhere. So what can you do if you want to include a video in your Webflow project? Let's delve into that. One common approach is to first upload your video to a hosting platform like YouTube. Once the video is uploaded there, you simply copy the URL and plug it into your Webflow project. This is a straightforward way to showcase your video content while leveraging YouTube's streaming capabilities. Alternatively, if you're looking to integrate the video directly within your site's design, you might consider using Webflow's background video element. This is particularly handy when you want the video to play in the background, perhaps as an eye-catching design element. To make it look professional and clean, a smart way to organize it is by placing the background video element within a container. The container helps in managing the size and scale of your video, ensuring it looks neat on various devices and screen sizes. After you've placed the background video element in your project, the next step is quite simple. You can select the element or double-click it, which will open its settings. Within these settings, you'll find an option labeled Upload Video. This is your cue to bring in the video content. Go ahead and click on Upload Video. Select your file and let Webflow do the rest. Moments later, you'll see your video embedded seamlessly into your design. Now, a crucial point to remember is that there is a file size limitation when using this method. The videos uploaded directly through the background video element must be less than 30 MB. This size constraint exists to maintain optimal page loading speeds and ensure your visitors have a smooth experience on your site. So, as you can see, while you can't upload videos to Webflow assets directly, you have an efficient workaround. Either using a YouTube link or implementing the background video element will give your project the vibrant look and feel you desire. With these tools at your fingertips, integrating videos into your Webflow site is not just possible, it's practically effortless. I hope this explanation has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Now go ahead, give it a try, and watch how your Webflow project comes to life with your own videos.